Growing a strong community can be challenging, but you should not feel like you're stuck in a messy crowd. It's time to accelerate with something new, something faster, smarter, and more efficient. Meet Fluent Community, the blazing fast community plugin for WordPress. Whether you're building a niche community, managing an online course, or handling corporate training, Fluent Community gives you everything you need to achieve your goals. Best of all, it's your platform and your rules, so no compromises, just limitless possibilities. When it comes to bringing members on board, Fluent Community makes it seamless. Invite users with just an email and they'll receive a sign-up link tailored to their group. This efficient process ensures that everyone is where they need to be, allowing you to concentrate on building engagement. What sets Fluent Community apart isn't just its speed, it's the unlimited access to all features with no restrictions. That's right, you can use all the tools and build your community exactly the way you want. No extra fees, no hidden costs. Everything you need is included from the start. You can just focus on growing your community without worrying about ongoing expenses or limitations. Managing a community has never been this smooth. Want a leaderboard? You've got it. And it's fully customizable. You also have total control over your menu. Organize it however works best for your community. And when it comes to spaces, you are the boss of your world. Build groups, invite your members, and oversee it all with ease. Fluent Community also takes the hassle out of course management. From creation to tracking progress, handling your courses has never been this simple. Whether you are an educator looking to enhance learning environments or a corporate trainer managing internal programs, Fluent Community has you covered. Plus, the platform comes with additional tools that make it even more dynamic. Need media storage? Done. Want to use a custom Slack? No problemo. Love using GIFs? The Fluent Community supports them all. And for those who need it, user approvals are just a click away. On top of that, this plugin is designed to fit perfectly within the WP Managed Ninja ecosystem, so everything works seamlessly together. From real-time notifications to custom profiles, the performance is always fast and flawless. So, who's Fluent Community for? Anyone who needs a fast, efficient, and easy-to-manage platform. It's perfect for educators who want to create interactive learning spaces, companies looking to streamline corporate training, and creators building niche communities. No limitations, no hidden costs, just one payment, and you get access to everything. So why wait? If you're ready to take your community to the next level, Fluent Community is your solution.